Hello there. It's your boy, Tasty Cake. Snack time review. The fifth and final bag from Mike's Skin Snacks. Sweet Smoky BBQ potato chips. It's a win-win with Mike's Skins. And I agree boldly 100%. 110. There's your Bible verse. This is the day which the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Psalm 118:24 in the King James Version. MikeSkins.com/chips. Instagram, Facebook. There's your details. 75 cents per container. So I had 75 servings in that first bag. Holy crap. I had a couple of this salt and vinegar because you taste that salt and vinegar, baby. Ooh. I say in a good way because, again, that flavor is there. You get that flavor, baby. And the same thing, you know, focus on that. Wait for the rain to go down into the grass so I can bawoosh before the show starts. I'm gonna go bawoosh. Look at that. Sweet and smoky barbecue. This is what I needed. The sweet heat was wow. Just boom on you. Which is fine. Absolutely fine. Salt and vinegar. I'm not a salt and vinegar kind of guy.
Yeah, not kind of guy.
But it was good. You tasted that salt and vinegar. The smokiness. You taste it. That's what I needed. Because one was like, whoa. And I ate the whole bag. It was so good. Like, whoa, the flavor is so nice in there. Salt and vinegar, like, salt and vinegar, pow, 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 pow. Okay. But, wow. Nice. I could go find the other bag. It's either here or the other room. Probably the other room. But you can watch the videos. You know, this is the fifth video of the snacks. And the first two I grabbed because I liked them. And I can just possibly look at the pictures real fast. If I straight, oh, there he goes. Yeah, I saved the pictures for a while. I have Dat Divine, which is not a clear picture, sadly. But Dat Divine has 3 flavors to it. So I chose Dat Divine because the 3 flavors. One of them had salt and vinegar, one had a barbecue, and one had sour cream and onion. Sour cream and onion is not available separately. Only Dat Divine has the sweet heat, sweet something barbecue. Again, it's too blurry. Dang it. Watch the video, please. Please watch all the videos. Dat Divine was the greatest one. The creamy pickle was quite unique. Sweet smoky potato number 3. And Sweet Smoky BBQ is number 3. Sweet Heat BBQ is number 4. And just because salt and vinegar is just overpowering for me. Salt and vinegar. That's
Salt and vinegar chips.
So that's number 5, but still top 5 chips. I have a bag of each one because I couldn't find these, and why not? One of each, stick it in the kitchen. Eat them up, yum. So, I'm just full now. Finish these chips. And I had to wait for the rain to settle before I can say hello to Mother Nature. Some milk to settle the acidicness of the chips. But find these Mike's skins. Dat Divine number 1 because it's 3 different flavors. Creamy pickle was unique. So I was like, creamy pickle? It's not the dill pickle thing. So some of the female cashiers liked it too. So I'd say I do number 2. Sweet Smoky BBQ number 3. Sweet Heat BBQ 4. And salt and vinegar. Salt and vinegar because I'm just not a salt and vinegar kind of guy.
Just not that kind of guy.
Still, great chips. See if you can find them. Go on a website. Have fun with it. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. And always remember, time waits and turns slowly.